Hello, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, and today I'm going to explain what qualifies for a child support modification in Texas and how you can request one if your financial situation or your child's needs have changed. Texas law allows child support modifications, but only under specific conditions. Let's break it down. In Texas, child support orders can't be changed on a whim. There must be a substantial change in circumstances, or enough time must have passed since the last order. Here are the key ways a modification can be granted. First, a substantial change in circumstances. This could include a significant increase or decrease in the paying parent's income, a parent losing a job and being unemployed for an extended period, the receiving parent's financial situation changing drastically, a change in custody arrangements, such as the child now living with the paying parent, the child developing medical needs or disabilities requiring more financial support. 2. 3 years have passed since the last order, and the new child support amount under Texas guidelines would differ by at least 20% or $100 per month. Let's talk about a real case. John and Sarah divorced 5 years ago, and John was ordered to pay $800 per month in child support. At the time, John was earning $60,000 per year. Recently, John lost his job due to company layoffs and has been out of work for 6 months. He's struggling to make ends meet and is barely covering rent and basic expenses. John petitions the court for a child support modification, arguing that his job loss is a substantial change in circumstances. The court reviews his case and determines that since John has no current income and is actively seeking employment, his child support obligation should be temporarily reduced until he finds stable work. The court may also require him to provide updates on his job search. On the other hand, Sarah's situation has also changed. She recently got a promotion and her salary increased by $30,000 per year. While this does not automatically change child support, it could be a factor if she's now financially capable of handling a greater share of expenses. Child support modifications in Texas require either a substantial change in circumstances or at least 3 years passing with a significant difference in the new calculation. If you're struggling with payments or believe the current order no longer meets your child's needs, you may have grounds for a modification. If you believe your child support order needs to be updated, we can help. We offer a free 30-minute consultation to discuss your case and determine your legal options. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insights. See you in the next video. Take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.